Welcome to Simple Tactics. Today we'll learn how to enable the Alt and Space on Windows. So like if you're on Windows, if you press Alt and Alt and Space, it's going to do this, not like the way it does on Mac. So it's super easy to do that. So we have to go to the Microsoft PowerToys and then click Install PowerToys. We'll go to the Microsoft Store. And we're going to install it. I have already installed it to make it easier. So once you install, you go to the search and write PowerToys. Click it. Okay. After that, you'll be able to see tons of options here. So this is the one you have to turn on, PowerToys Run. So turn it on. And once you turn it on, it will show as Open Run, Alt and Space. So you can just press Alt and Space. See, it's just like Mac now. So you can just select, you can write Edge, and it will show you the Edge and any other apps. You can just click and open it. So this is how you turn on the Alt and Space on your Windows laptop. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.